Most women over the whole world want to know beauty secret of Korean women. Korean women are always in pursuit of skin perfection, chasing a flawless, clear and radiant complexion via the latest, groundbreaking products. They are so serious about their skin. In this video, we'll share 7 Korean beauty secrets. But, before we begin, please consider taking a moment to subscribe us. You'll get amazing healthy nutrition tips from us every day. Hey! 7 Top Korean Beauty Secrets. 1. Give your face a steam massage in the shower. Skin clinics are down every block in South Korea, where you can get a facial massage as easy as a budget manicure. We recommend not only using circular motions with your fingers, but also tapping in rotating motions, starting on the forehead, then the cheekbones, cheeks, and working down to the jawbone. Massaging increases circulation and creates a dewy complexion. 2. Begin with an oil cleanser. Take an oil cleanser and apply it all over your face and neck. Make sure you cover the lip and eye area. Massage the cleanser gently into the skin, then dab some warm water on it. Massage the wet skin and rinse it. The process melts the debris on your face and makes the skin clean and fresh. It gets rid of the dust that has accumulated on your face over the period of the day. 3. Follow up with a water-based cleanser. There will still be some debris left on the face, and to remove that, you will need a water-based cleanser. Wet your skin, apply the water-based cleanser, and gently massage it in a circular motion. Rinse it off with water. After this, your skin will be squeaky clean without a hint of dirt. The water-based cleanser removes any remaining residue from the skin. 4. Exfoliate with a washcloth soaked in hot water. Scrubbing off dead skin cells helps skincare products to work on your skin thoroughly. Exfoliation clears pores and makes skin smoother and more radiant. The microbeads in exfoliators help in removing dead skin cells. It makes your skin look flawless and helps your makeup to go on your skin much more smoothly. 5. Tighten up with toner. We're not talking about your average, everyday, chock full of alcohol toner found in the Western Hemisphere. Korean variations are marketed as a hydrating yet clarifying, wait for it, cleanse. It removes any residual residue from the prior 3 steps, while soothing and restoring your pH balance, plus, it prepares your skin to better absorb what comes next. 6. Essence is essential. Essences are a vital part of Korean skincare. This lightweight, water-based product typically comes in a tall, beautiful glass bottle and is meant to be pressed into the skin from the chin up. An essence isn't as concentrated as a serum but is still full of nutrient-rich ingredients. The role of this mystery product is to prep the skin for serum application by bringing water deep into the skin and balancing its pH. 7. Use sun protection cream. Koreans avoid the sun like the plague, protecting and cherishing their translucent, fair skin. Sun protection is a huge deal in Korea, so it's safe to say that when it comes to sunscreen products, the Koreans know a thing or two. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know if you try these and get benefited from this video, and don't forget to subscribe to get awesome health and nutrition tips every day.